Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the USB-C Gen2 hub adapter. It has 7 ports. It has USB-C Gen2 as I mentioned. It's from a company called EZQuest. I like the design of this all metal hub. I've seen other hubs that are plastic. Those are fine, but these last a lot longer and they look great on your desktop. It has a metal connection for the port here on the end that plugs into your computer. I used this with a MacBook Pro M1 recently, and I plugged in a hard drive, and this is the hard drive right here. It has USB-A ports. Just plug that in right there. That's from Western Digital. And then I also have a Kingston USB-A and USB Type-C, and you can plug that directly in to the USB-C ports right here. So you have 4 of those on one side, and you have 3 of the USB-A's on the other. They're all USB 3.0. And then you just plug it directly into your computer, so no need for dongles. You have a hub that you can plug multiple devices into, and it gives you all the power that you need for this. This is from EZQuest. Here's some more details about the USB-C Gen2 hub. And it's important to get the Gen2 because it's faster. You get up to 10 gigabits of transfer, and when you have many hundreds of gigabytes on a hard drive like the one here that's a 1 terabyte hard drive, that can take a while to transfer your files. So you can back up your phone with the Kingston adapter, plug it into this, back it all up through your computer, Windows or Mac, it works for either. And here's some final details about how it can connect and how it works with your PC, Mac, and your iPad Pro with USB-C port as well. No drivers to download or install. It works plug and play. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.